If you want to print with your Google Pixel 11, to connect a printer, first of all, you want to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, go to Connected Devices. Here you want to choose Connection Preferences, and then you should be able to find the printing option. First, you want to go to the default print service over here. Of course, make sure that the print service is enabled. And then you might be able to find your printer over here on this list. In case your printer does not appear here, you can also go back and you can choose Add Service, and you will open the Play Store with additional apps or plugins for different printers that you can, of course, use to make sure that your printer can be, of course, used on your phone. In some cases, these plugins are required to be able to detect your printer. And if with the help of the printer you still cannot really connect your printer, what you can also do is you can check the manual of your printer. And over there, you should be able to find some sort of information on how to properly connect your printer with your Android smartphone. And the reason why you might want to check that is simply because if these two options do not work for you, then usually it means that you have to get a dedicated app that is made usually just for the printer or for a series of printers. So you will need to go to the Play Store and you will have to download the app to be able to use your printer on Google Pixel 11. So unfortunately, I cannot really say exactly what app you need to get for your printer because, well, this is too long to, it would take too long to mention every printer and every app, of course, but you can definitely find that information in the manual for sure. So then you should be able to easily connect your printer on your Google Pixel 11. And once, of course, you have the printer ready, if you have any sort of a document that you want to print, then in here, for example, if you use the Files app, the File Manager, to open a document, you can use these three dots in the upper right corner and you can choose the print option. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.